Hello children, welcome to my talks, and here I am with standard 10th biology. Okay, the first chapter, life processes as per your demand. Okay, we had started with the reproduction. Okay, and I covered few of the chapters over there, but your demand was to start with life process, so I began with life process. Okay children, now for this what you have to do is you have to subscribe the channel so that you get to see all the videos. Okay, and as again I'm telling you that there are English videos also of standard 10th. Okay, so please subscribe the channel so that you can see all the videos of English as well as biology. As soon as I upload, you will get a notification and you can go to my channel and you can see it. So do subscribe the channel and share with as many friends, as many people as you can, okay, so that maximum can benefit. Children, my main aim was so that children benefit during this lockdown time, and you have these videos, these study materials always with you, so that whenever you have some doubts or whenever you want to study, you can just revise it. Just open the video and you can revise whatever you want to. Okay, that was my main aim. So it should reach to as many students as you can. Please share it with your friends, share it with any people in any school, those who are there in CBSE having these chapters. Okay children, so let us start with this particular chapter, life process. Okay, so I begin with it. So what are life processes? The very first topic. Okay, now life processes, as it says, life. Now children, what is it by which you come to know that a particular organism is living? Suppose we talk about the dog, the cat. Okay, you say that it grows, it moves, okay, it makes different sound. So these are the sounds of a living organism. Okay, then suppose when we sleep, are we dead? Okay, because we don't move, we don't grow during that time. So what? Okay, then we can say that we breathe. The up and down movement of the chest shows that yes, we are alive. Okay, what about the plants? They do not show movement, or they do not show respiration as such, which you can observe, okay, from outside. So what? Then you say that yes, you can see the leaves are green, they are widespread. Okay, you can say the strength, or you can say the quality, you can say by sight of the plant we can make out. Growth does take place, but it takes time to grow. Okay, so these are the characteristics of life. That is what we said. So life processes. Okay, now this life, when we talk about, these are the there are different systems, different processes which are continuing into which definitely continues into our body, which goes every time in our body, whether we are sleeping, moving, talking, whatever it is. Maybe the rate of the particular activity, the metabolic functions I'm talking about, the rate of the particular activity may slow down during sleeping, okay, but then when we are very active, it may be faster. Only that. Otherwise, all the activities do take place. Okay, whether we are sleeping or we are talking or we are walking or we are playing, running. Okay, so that is what. Now I'll refer, this is the introductory chapter to your life process. Okay, so I would like to go along with the text itself. Okay, so that I don't miss anything. So that is what it says. Okay, then we come to movements over very small scales and molecular movements needed for life. Yes, it also says that when we talk about the simplest organisms, okay, so we talk about cells, tissues, okay, then it comes to organs, organ systems, and then it comes to organism. Okay, so finally when we talk about the cells, the tissues, the organs, okay, those cells are the simplest of the organisms. The simplest organisms, then it comes tissues, organs and organ systems. So the unicellular organisms, they are the cells, and you can talk about as they get more and more specialized in their functioning, okay, it becomes a multicellular organism. Okay, the cells also have certain movement, certain molecules in them, okay, which brings about the movement and which helps in carrying out different activities into the cell itself. That really takes it to show that it carries out the processes to keep it alive. Okay, so that is what. So the movement, the cellular movement or the molecular movement, the molecules which are present in the cell, okay, they bring about the movement, okay, they bring about they move, and hence they bring about the processes, the different metabolic functions or the processes which carries out in the cell. So that is all about life processes. Okay, and then finally when we come to the environment, yes, the breaking up. Now each of the cell or the tissues in our body, children, have got a life duration, isn't it? Even we have a certain average duration, certain average lifespan till which we'll be alive. Human beings, suppose it is 65 years, does not mean that 65 years tak har kisi ko jabardasti jeena hai. Nahi, 65 years ke pehle bhi due to some reasons we may die, we don't know. So our average lifespan is there. Okay, so the cells and tissues also have a lifespan कि इतने दिन तक ये cells रहेगा. After that, it has to die off. Now, if there is no repair and maintenance process, do you understand? आपकी गाड़ी है, आपने नई गाड़ी खरीदी है, okay, maybe a bike, and if you do not go for maintenance of that particular bike, then what will happen? After some time, it will definitely cause some problems. Okay, कुछ ना कुछ उसमें गड़बड़ी आएगी, कभी आवाज ज्यादा होगा, कभी fumes ज्यादा लगेंगे, certain problems आएंगे, फिर आपको उसको मेंटेनेंस के लिए जाना होगा. So every now and then you go for maintenance. Just like that, the body is also there. Okay, this is a beautiful gift of God, but time to time the maintenance is required. So what is the maintenance in the body? That is what is we are going to talk about. Okay, the regular replenishment, you can say, the cells when they die off, certain cells die off after a lifespan, okay, they have to be repaired back, and the repair and the maintenance does takes place, okay, by the process of cell division. Now in earlier chapters we did cell division, that is mitosis, okay, the cell's multiplication does takes place, and finally the cell is replenished. The same cell with which we were born does not continue till our lifetime. So that maintenance of the cell has to take place. Okay. Then when we talk about the maintenance processes, okay, there again for these maintenance functions there requires energy. Okay, energy is required for the maintenance of the whole body. When the body works, when the body has to work, okay, as I told you, there are different metabolic functions taking place in our body. Now, what are these metabolic functions? You can talk about nutrition, okay, respiration, then digestion and nutrition will come into that, circulation, okay, excretion, and so on and so forth. Okay. So what all these process, when we talk about respiration, circulation, excretion, and all the other process, each of it requires energy, children. And where do we get energy from? Okay, we get energy from the food which we eat. From outside, externally you can say, and sometimes some of the energy, internal energy, okay, but normally the energy to carry out these functions, to carry out the process, to keep a particular organism alive, okay, energy is required, and for that energy, the food has to be taken in from outside, okay, so that is what we are going to talk about in this particular chapter. So all these processes will require energy, and how this energy will act upon that we are going to talk about in each of the process, because in detail we are going to do all these processes. So this is one particular topic. Then again it says that single-celled organisms and multicellular organisms. Yes, single-cell organisms, you can say that they can carry out all their functions by themselves. Yes, they are independent, okay, but they do not carry out functions in a specialized way. As I told you earlier that the cell, tissues, organ systems, that is multicellular organism. And in multicellular organism, we have specialized systems for carrying out special functions. Like for carrying out circulation, we have circulatory system, which starts from the heart, okay. Even the circulation requires lungs as well, okay. The arteries, the veins, all these are a portion of that, okay. Then when we talk about respiration, starts from your nose, okay, and alveoli and everything, okay. So quite many organs constitute, and the organs are made up of tissues with cells, Okay, so all these come together and they carry out a particular function. So multicellular organisms, it is like that, they have particular systems, while when we talk about unicellular organisms, everything takes place from the outer wall. Okay, even the respiration, each of the particular cell is in direct contact with the atmosphere. So excretion also takes place through the cell, then respiration also takes place through the cell. That is not the case with us. Okay, our heart is situated much within. So it's not that the oxygen from outside, how will it come? So finally we have to take it through nose, and it has to go through the particular system, and it has to reach through the blood to different parts of the body. So this is actually what we are going to study in this particular chapter. I think I have made it very clear. Okay, yes. For multicellular, we have specialized systems. So this is what is life process, children, just an introductory. And I'm going to start with the nutrition, the very first topic. Okay, and as I told, keep hooked to my channel, do subscribe it. Still, I know many of you have not subscribed, so I have to send you the links. So that should not be, children. Subscribe it for yourself, so that now I'm making this and you'll be having for the test also. So do subscribe it so that you can see it for yourself. Now every day I cannot send the links, but the videos will be there on my channel. So do subscribe the channel so that you can see it. And as I told you, it should reach to maximum of the students and benefit to many. Okay, as a teacher, I would like that maximum of the students should benefit with my lectures. So do share it. Okay, and because you said that the voice is not clear, some of you all told me in the other videos, yes, I've got a mic for you all so that I'm more clearer, and that is what I hope you appreciate. Okay, hope you must have liked it. Okay, enjoy watching and enjoy studying as well. Okay, do share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you all.